Hi everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we're going to learn about paragraph tags in HTML. So to start with, I'll show you how the paragraph tags are used in the website. So I'll go to Wikipedia site and I'll search for books. So now you can see, so under the title of books, there are many paragraphs added. So this is a one paragraph and this is a second paragraph. Likewise, we have many paragraphs in this page. So I'm going to right click on this place and go to inspect, and here you can see this paragraph is wrapped up inside the p tag. So when you are adding paragraphs, you are using a tag called paragraph tags in HTML. So if you have a look at the entire page, so you can see this is the first paragraph and this is the second paragraph. So likewise, we have many p tags in this page. So now I will show you how you can create the paragraph tags in HTML and add to your web page. I'll go to text editor. So I have created a new file, paragraph.html. Now I'm going to add one heading here. So I will close the heading. Now I will add the paragraph. To define the paragraphs in HTML, you have to use the p tag. You have to use the p letter. So I'll open the paragraph tag. So I will take some lorem text. In Sublime Text, you can type the word lorem and press the tab key, so the paragraph will be auto generated. So I will close the p tag. So always the paragraph open tag, you have to use p wrapped inside the brackets, and /p wrapped inside the bracket is close tag for the paragraph. So I have added one paragraph now. I'll open the paragraph.html file in the browser. So now you can see this is the heading that I have added, and the paragraph has got added in the document. And I'll go to the document again and I'll add one more paragraph here. So I have added two paragraphs. Now if I refresh the browser, you can see two paragraphs are added in the page. So every paragraph starts as a new line, but if you want to break the paragraph, you have to mark a line break inside the paragraph. Now for example, now I will add one more paragraph to show you how we can do that. So I will add one third paragraph here. So you can see I have added three paragraphs. Now let's say if you want to break this paragraph from here, now I will put some space and save it, and you go to the browser and you refresh it, but you don't see that space here. As I mentioned, if you want to break the paragraphs, so you have to use the break tags in HTML. So I will define br tag. So now I'll save it and go to the browser and refresh it. You can see from this line, so it has taken to the next line. So I will add one more br tag here. One more. Yeah, I have added three break tags, so it will send that sentence to the next line. Now if you want to take the paragraph, if you want to break it from the middle, and if you want to take the paragraph to the next line, you can use the br tag to do that. Now I'll show you how you can align these paragraphs in the browser. So now I will remove the br tags from here. If you go to the browser, you can see by default the paragraph tags are left aligned. So now I'm going to use an attribute called align and add that attribute to the paragraph tag. So I'm going to add align attribute to the first paragraph tag, and I'm going to say left. Attribute value is left, so I'm saving it. So I'll refresh the browser now. You can see there are no changes in the document because the default alignment of the paragraph is left. So I'm going to the second paragraph. I have right aligned the paragraph. So now when I refresh, you can see the middle paragraph has got right aligned. So the third alignment I'm going to use as justify. So you refresh the browser, you can see the third paragraph is justified. If you want to center the paragraph, let me quickly make a copy of this paragraph tag and I'll add the fourth paragraph. So here I'm just simply going to say center. So now the fourth paragraph is going to be center aligned. So here I have basically used all four alignments in the paragraph. So the first one is left align, and then we have the right aligned paragraph. The third one is justified. Fourth one is centered. So this is the way that simply we can use the paragraph tags in HTML. Paragraph tag is a block level element in HTML. Block level elements always starts on a new line. You can see all these four paragraphs are started in a new line because we have simply used the p tag to add these paragraphs. As I mentioned, the paragraph tag is a block level element. It always takes up the full width of the browser. It stretches out to the left and right as far as it can. So you can see paragraph tag starts here and it has gone until here. If you reduce the size of the browser, you can see the paragraph automatically adjusts its line spaces. A block level element always has a top and a bottom margin where the inline element doesn't have it. So you can see when you define the paragraph using the p tag, it will always have the top and the bottom margin. In this video, we have learned about what is paragraph tag and how we can use it in the HTML. If you like this video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.